One thing that I said when I first started with Mary Kay, and it was all about being, exploding with this power and passion that I didn't yet have, was that you have to smile when you pick the phone up. And the phones were attached to the wall then. And you didn't have mobile phones then. And I have aged really, really well. But the phone would ring and I'd be like, I'm tired, I can't. And I had a little flat, I was living in a little flat in Bromley, and I didn't have a social circle, there wasn't time for that. I didn't have a partner, there wasn't time for that. And all I was trying to do was keep a flat that I was living in and starting to hate, just me and a cat. And the phone would ring and I think, right, it's business, what do I do? And this was my affirmation. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy, hello! You sound happy. You sound a bit mad, but you sound happy. And then the person at the other end of the phone responds happily. And the conversation is a happier one. If I'd gone, yes, immediately they're like, oh, it's not a good time. You all go down with it. Faking it, don't worry if you're faking it because it's fine. Yeah, and I made it.